Not from IKEA. Not. Surprise, it is a lamp, not a knot. Easy to fix, let me show you. Follow the instructions, the top piece where you put the bulb, that's what it looks like. There's a base plate with 4 metal rods, just twist them in tightly and they grow up quite tall as you can see. The height is about 175 cm around there and it's quite light so you can carry it anywhere. Any E27 bulb will do, bulb not included. Pretty bright, pretty happy with it, and we got not one, we got 2. Woohoo! Deployed 2 in this small room, a very easy light solution. Thank you for watching. Enjoy the rest of the video. $10 from IKEA minus the bulb, of course. Knot, it's called Knot. Funny name for light. Knot. Bye.